the super awesome kick-ass editing assets pack. And the best part, it's free. That's right, by downloading this pack, you're gonna get 10 high-quality overlays like this, 50 of the finest sound effects we could find. Swooshes and meme sound effects. Hey, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, what do you think of this assets pack?
In all honesty, it's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Whoa! Yeah, but he's in there too, along with some other epic green screen videos that you can use. 5 amazing drag and drop animation presets. 10 customizable graphics animations. We got them all. Plus, we got 30 plus images like these for all your video needs. And the best part, it's free. So all you need to do is click the link in the description below, and the ultra kick-ass awesome baby Lucius editing pack will be sent straight to your inbox. So do yourself a favor and go to www.chateditor.com/freeassets and grab yourself some goodies that will up your editing game. Okay, that's it. Get the pack. Thank you. Bye.